everyone. A warm and cheerful Christmas wishes to all. Christmas is a festival of love, peace and happiness. And today our school is filled with the spirit of Christmas. Today is a very special day for all of us. We are happy and blessed to stand here and welcome you all to the beautiful program. First, we warmly welcome our chief guest, Reverend Father Dr. Charles Irudayam. Thank you, Father, for spending your precious time with us. Your presence makes this day brighter. With great respect and joy, we warmly welcome our manager, Reverend Father Benedict Paulraj, whose guidance and support are a constant source of inspiration to us. Thank you, Father, for your valuable presence. We also extend our welcome to our St. Norbert R.C. Middle School correspondent, Reverend Father Benjamin Francis. We are grateful for your encouragement and leadership. Thank you, Father. We also welcome our correspondent, Reverend Father R.K. Selvan, who always guides and supports our school with love and care. A big welcome to our higher secondary and primary school headmasters who leads us kindly and help us to grow every day. We lovingly welcome all our teachers who teach us, encourage us and make learning so much fun. And finally, we welcome all our dear parents and friends. Today, let's enjoy the program with joy, smiles, excitement. Once again, we welcome each and every one of you through this song. We welcome you, welcome you, welcome you today. We are happy to have you in our midst today. We welcome you, welcome you, welcome you today. We are happy to have you in our midst today. Hearty welcome to you all. 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 We welcome you, welcome you, welcome you today. We are happy to have you in our midst today. Thank you.
லாரன்ஸ் அவர்கள், நமது அமலா அன்னையினுடைய பங்கு தந்தை அவர்கள் வர முடியாது என்று சொல்லினார். அதனால நம்முடைய பிள்ளைகளுக்கு ட்ரைனிங் கொடுக்கும்போது அதை இணைக்கல. தந்தை அவர்களும் வந்திருக்கிறார்கள். ஆக நம் பள்ளியின் சார்பாக இந்த கிறிஸ்து பிறப்பு பெருவிழா நிகழ்விற்கு தந்தை அவர்களையும் ஈர்கரம் கூப்பி அன்போடு வரவேற்கின்றோம். Hearty welcome, dear father.